Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. We can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a cordless leaf blower that was sent over by a company called LawnMaster. And as you can see right here, it is in front of me. When it arrives, all you're gonna have to do is attach the little end piece here, which just simply slides on, super easy when putting it on. It just clips in place. And then as you can see, it's nice and compact. It's also very lightweight and well balanced when you put on the battery. So you are going to get a 24-volt charger. Just simply plugs in, has a nice long cable, so you can easily put this on a workbench or whatnot, and then it just takes a standard lithium 24-volt battery. It does also have a little fingerprint on the front. If you press that, you'll notice it's gonna have a green, orange, and a red light. That's basically giving you a snapshot of how much battery juice is in this thing. But you're gonna simply just slide it in place, and now it is all ready to go. And it's very, very well balanced and light. As you can see, you can easily move it around, which is great when utilizing it. You're not gonna get that arm fatigue, if you will. It weighs just a little bit under 9 pounds. Now this guy here has two different airflow settings. You're gonna have just the standard setting when you utilize the trigger itself. And then there is a trigger at the top here that is going to basically be the turbo mode, which is perfect for getting those stubborn kind of leaves or grass clippings, or when you get a big pile and you're just needing a little extra force. That max airflow is going to be about 335 CFM, or equal to about 100 miles per hour. So this thing can pump out a lot of air. As you can see, it's nice and tailored here at the end, tapered I should say, but pushes out a lot of air. So there's no reason to be utilizing any gas ones anymore or any cord air blowers. The battery ones have really become quite powerful, in my opinion. Now, as far as battery life on this thing, you're gonna get about 30 to 32 minutes of runtime on this. Now, that's gonna vary a little bit depending on how often you are utilizing the turbo mode. So if you just have the turbo on all the time, it's gonna chew through that battery a lot faster. However, if you have any of the other LawnMaster devices, you can utilize their batteries with their system, or if you just have the standard little, like I said, it just is a standard slide-in battery. So you may have a couple of the other ones laying around that you can just push in and utilize and just continue on with your yard chores. But overall, it's a really, really nice leaf blower. It works really, really well, and I like how lightweight it is. Makes it very easy to utilize, but they didn't sacrifice on that performance. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a nice new leaf blower, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.